Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to show load more products instead of pagination for your product pages. So let's say we are here, and if we go down we can see that in a single page there are just six products showing, and if I go to all products I can actually go here and I can go and look at more pages from here. But what if we want that only 6 or 9 products to show, but there should be a load more rather than pagination out here? All we need to do is go into my settings, go into shop settings, and from shop settings we are going to say load more products. So I'm going to look for it. Show load more products. There it is. When I click on this and if I refresh, we'll see that after 9 products there's a load more, and if I click on that then it'll just keep loading more pages at the bottom. So that's how you actually configure load more pages. Thank you.